How to enable mono audio in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to combine stereo audio into a single channel so sound plays equally through both ears. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Accessibility in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Audio on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle labeled Mono Audio. Turn that on to enable it. From here, once it's active, all stereo audio will be mixed down into a single channel and played equally through both speakers or both sides of your headphones. Following this, just below the mono audio toggle, you'll also see a flash notifications option. This makes your screen flash whenever a system sound plays, which is useful if you rely on visual cues alongside audio. Finally, keep in mind that mono audio is especially useful if you're using one earbud, have hearing differences in one ear, or just want to make sure you don't miss any audio that's panned to one side in a stereo mix. That's how you enable mono audio in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!